Emma. Today I scored my first goal at soccer. Mom, I'm writing a letter. A letter, like a message you send to someone? No, more like a friendly letter. How do you write a friendly letter? There are tons of ways to communicate with people. Talking, phone calls, text messages, emails, instant messaging, and letters are all ways to communicate. A friendly letter can tell about your day, how you feel, or it can even be a thank you note. For me? Sweet. A letter has 5 parts. The first part is the heading. It has the address, which shows where it came from. This letter is from my friend Emma, who lives in New York City. And it shows the date, too. Let's see. Emma wrote this last week. The second part is the greeting. Right. A greeting can start with hi, hello, hey, what's up? This letter starts with Dear Annie. You put a comma after the name in a friendly letter. The third part is the body. That's the main part of the letter. The body of Emma's letter is all about how she lost a tooth. The fourth part of the letter is the closing. That's a short phrase that ends the letter, like, your friend. Love. Keep in touch. Right, Moby. The closing ends with a comma, too, just like the greeting. The last part is the signature. This is where the writer signs his or her name. Emma knows how to sign her name in cursive. I know I've seen letters that look different from this one. How do you write a business letter? Sometimes people write to people they don't know, or write business letters, which are more serious than friendly letters. Can you print out my business letter, Moby? Thanks. A business letter has 5 parts, just like a friendly letter. The sender's address and the date goes at the top of the page. Then the address of the person you're writing to goes below. Then there's the greeting, like, Dear Mr. President. Well, if you don't know the person's name, you can write to whom it may concern, or Dear Sir or Madam. And since it's a business letter, I used a colon after the name. Then the body of the letter has the purpose, which tells why you're writing to them. I'm asking the president to sign a law against teenagers with cell phones, because Mia is driving me crazy. Since this is a business letter, I closed it with sincerely, and then I typed my name. Right, I need to sign it too. Now I need to send it. But how do you label an envelope? First, you put the address of the person you're sending the letter to in the middle of the envelope. Well, the address starts with the name or title of the person. Then you put the number and street, 1600 Pennsylvania Avenue. I don't think the president has an apartment number, but if there was one, we'd put it there. Then you put the city, state, and zip code. Next, you put your own address in the top left corner. Wait! I have to put on the stamp. It always goes on the top right corner. That's how you pay to get your letter sent across the town, or the country. I wonder how long it'll take for the president to get my letter.